Folks, you're watching EZRA ONDARA TV. My name is EZRA ONDARA. I do real estate content in Nakuru. I do house hunting in Nakuru, and I do vlogs around Nakuru. Today, I am at a 2-bedroom apartment, master and suite at Bangladesh. Now, folks, I am happy to find this 2-bedroom here because, for one, this is my first ever project at this area of Bangladesh. I have had so many calls. Can I get a bed sitter at Bangladesh? Can I get a 1-bedroom? Can I get a 2-bedroom? Finally, for those looking for 2 bedrooms, we have now this brand new apartment at Bangladesh in Nakuru. Bangladesh is in Nakuru. I'm not in Bangladesh, the country. We have an estate, an area known as Bangladesh here in Nakuru. Now, folks, from here to the Nakuru Eldoret highway, okay? Nakuru Eldoret highway is just 100 meters, off the main highway. Can you imagine? From there, going to the Golden Life Mall is just about 300 meters. And at the Golden Life Mall, what do you find there? You have a supermarket there, you have a cafe there, Origin Cafe, for example. There's a big hospital there, Bloom Hospital. I mean, there are services there, in short, okay? Now, what's more? For more fun activities, just industrial area here, okay? Now going this side, you can get to a place known as Cypress Park. There, if you have children, you can always take them there for swimming, for trampoline, for whatever, for dining, for outdoor games, even for yourself, not just kids. Sometimes we forget about ourselves, then we focus on kids. Even for yourself, you can go there and ride bikes and do other activities. Namna here. Now, what's more, somebody told me, Ezra, always mention about schools. Now, in this area of Bangladesh, I'm not sure if there are schools around here, but now going the other side, the other side of Shabab, of course, there are so many schools in that area. Or even going to this side of London, Kiamunyi, there are so many schools in that area as well. For this Bangladesh, I'm not very sure. Now, up to that point, let's go in and check out this 2-bedroom apartment at Bangladesh in Nakuru, my first ever. Hiya! Folks, let's check out one of the units in this apartment. And here we go. Woo! Hey, hey! Folks, now the first thing I notice here is the expansiveness of the lounge. I mean, I love space. And I also come across clients who tell me, Ezra, I love space. It has to be spacious. The expansiveness of this lounge is something that I really like here. I mean, for this kind of crib, you can do your nice 5-seater, cozy, then you do a dining table somewhere. And I love the fact that, just look at these windows coming all the way there to just about 1.5 feet off, the floor. I like it. And there's another addition here. So light here is just wow. Now, folks, I love their downlight. Just look at that. Now, unfortunately, this house has no tokens. They are waiting for you to come and put tokens. I wish, I could have seen how it lights up. Now, we have a lounge balcony, okay? We have a lounge balcony, and we also have a kitchen balcony. Just look at this wonderful space. Are you a reader? Do you love reading? This is the space, for you to just chill here with your cozy chair. You read your good book as you catch a cool breeze. Can you just imagine? Folks, hey, this is wonderful. And it is quite large, This is a lounge balcony here. It is a huge space. And now, again, there is this grill from top to bottom. I mean, for maximum security. Here, you can even leave your kid comfortably. You can leave a child there comfortably, knowing that they will be safe. Let's check out the kitchen. Folks, this door brings me to the kitchen. The first thing I notice is the patterned tiles on the wall, okay? The kitchen tiles there. And let me try these. Yeah, these are good working height, okay? This height, kindly, tafadhali. And there are more cabinetry on this side as well. Good working height. Now this space here, for somebody who has even a 6 burner, well and good, just bring it. Okay, there is enough space for your 6 burner. Countertop space is just enough, but I like the fact that they have a double sink and there is water. God said, let there be water. So we have sufficient storage. Okay, and the tiles in the kitchen, they are, you know, just easy on the eyes. They are not shouting, they are warm, but they are not really shouting. The same tiles have been used outside here on the balcony. So I'm on the kitchen balcony, another huge space. They used a grill here, I think for, you know, for extra security. You know, there's a grill all, you know, all the way. And from here, of course, I see the other person's kitchen on that side. But yeah, it's a spacious balcony behind here. Let's check out the rest of the house. Now I'm on this corridor here, okay, and here we have the common toilet and the common bathroom, all right? So the home is only master en suite. And this is the bathroom. Folks, I just like the way, you know, I can turn around like this. You know, sometimes by the builders, when you're building these homes, when you're setting up the bathrooms and the toilets, keep in mind that there are folks who are way bigger than me. They are huge folks. So for those kind of folks, you have to provide enough space for them. But the tiles, the bathroom tiles, they are really nice, you know, white with a bit of, with some shades of gray. Okay, they are beautiful. And of course, now the common toilet. Folks, these are quite spacious rooms. Okay, this is a 3¼ feet wide, the common toilet. All right. Let's go to the bedrooms. Oh, before we go, so right here we have a shoe rack. Can you imagine, folks? They have already set up a shoe rack for you. At least your shoes won't be a nuisance right there at your doorstep, okay, on the main door. So, and there is more storage up here, you know, for what? What would you put here? You will decide. But they were creative with this space, and there's even a socket there. So perhaps if you have something that, you know, you need to, I don't know, you'll just decide how you'll plan your house. Okay, so here, that is the master bedroom, and this is the guest bedroom. Let's start with the guest bedroom. I'm inside the guest bedroom. It's a decently spacious room. This looks like 4 meters by 3 meters. Okay, so the wardrobes are on this side from ceiling to floor. And I like the way, you know, there is a lot of natural light here thanks to this window that is facing the front. And of course, there is nothing obstructing light from that side. All right, so there is plenty of storage in there. And now inside the master bedroom, it is ensuite. So the ensuite is on this side where I'm standing. The wardrobes are on this side as well. I think there is enough space for his and hers. Yeah, and I like the organization as well. So in terms of the size of bed that can fit here, a 6x6 will fit. It will, okay? And you will have some room. And there is this, you know, extended space here. I think, I don't know, maybe you can do a worktop here. I don't know, you can just be creative with this space Again, there's a large window there, plenty of natural light into the room. And of course, the toilet, the washroom here, with a shower area on one side and a toilet on the other side, okay? Which I think is brilliant. The tiles on the floor, comment, let me know how you find them. Okay, are they good for you? Are they too busy? I mean, let me know in the comments about the tiles. Folks, so finally, Ezra, nyumba ni pesa ngapi? Umeongea mingi. Okay, so a unit here is renting for 25,000 Kenya shillings. Okay, master and suite apartment with spacious rooms. We have seen all that. I love their balconies out there, front and behind. There is a client who told me, Ezra, can I get a 3-bedroom with a balcony on the lounge and the kitchen? I wish they were looking for a 2-bedroom because this one would have done it. So if you're looking for something of this sort, surely come here. You are just across, you know, the highway. By the way, most importantly, the apartment from here to the highway, I can even see cars passing. This is like 100 meters, okay?